Happy New Year, everybody! So, since I recently switched from iPhone to Galaxy, I needed cords because I can't do those itty bitty little cords that they send you with your phone. I like to look at it in bed, like to have it in my car, like to have it across my laptop. So I needed longer cords. sweguard has a set of 3. One's 3 foot, one's 6.6 foot, and the other one is a whopping 10-footer. They are made of this awesome ribbon cabling, makes them super sturdy. Super thick cable, great for easy wear and, or not so much easy wear and tear. So it just kind of like keeps it from snapping. Love them. Great quality, great charge. I have no issues. Very happy customer.